Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to check for an Instagram shadow ban using your computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a computer, Instagram, an account, and now we can go all the way down to the dock. Click on your web browser, which is Safari in this case. Make a search for Instagram. Go to Instagram.com, make sure you are signed into the account, go to your profile, go to a post that has the hashtag that is relevant to your account or that you have used several times when it comes to posting photos and videos and IGTV videos. If I go to the bottom of the page, click on a photo that has the hashtag computer science videos, I see computer science videos on top. Click on this. If you can see your posts when it comes to clicking on the hashtag computer science videos, that shows you are not shadow banned, which means when somebody clicks the hashtag computer science videos or makes a search for hashtag computer science videos and your posts all come up, you have not been shadow banned. Go back to your profile, minimize Safari. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.